Hello, friends. I'm Rahul Mediwala. I'm, I'm going to introduce you to this one great book, How to Create a Kick Ass Brand by David Tyerman. It's a very great, good book. It is give your business a world famous identity. Now, in this book, uh, now there are many books on branding, but I like this book particularly because it gives a very concrete plan of how you can actually build a brand. And the perspective which it gave of the brand was also very comprehensive and very much relatable in these modern times where marketing has become very much uh, relationship building and other brand perception, brand recall, the mind, the feelings, so many other. It's like marketing is no longer just selling or advertising. It is much bigger concept and a deeper concept. Now it's like this book has around 250 pages. Sorry, 230 40 pages. But the point is, it is just not a theory. It also has a questionnaires which, if you answer about the various topics, you will you will be able to, have a great brand profile, which as the author calls. And I I'm preparing for my organization, and will do it soon. And I have also decided to, you know, uh, help others prepare their brand profiles also. And for that, you can reach me at those links below. The contents are like these, and I'll just read it out. First one is dare. Basically, dare means how you can dare to be stand up and counted, dare to stand out. So what it means is you have to be dare to be authentically different. So basically, you have to come out. You have to stand out among the crowd. Then the discover of the power of the super niche. Obviously, this is now become sort of a very common advice that you prepare a super niche. And in these times of internet, the reach which you have, you won't believe how narrow your super niche can be and still very lucrative. Define your difference. You have to define your difference. First is within yourself, you have to be clear, and then you should be able to very easily convey that difference in the minds of the customers or target market. Step 4 is add value. Add value is yes, and one great concept which I like is you can add value by analyzing the complaints and the pain points of the customers. Fifth is ready, set, and engage. Basically, after preparing all this chart of for your company, for your brand, you need to implement it. And in this ready, set, and engage, there all the method is shown how you can engage. There is one concept which is called zone out zones and engaging experiences. Basically, brand is experience, engaging experience, and zone out zone is a zone where you get detached from the customer, sort of. The customer stops experiencing your brand, which is very you can say dangerous because it could lead to drop offs. uh, yes, so I've read one another book which I will disclose in the next week about brand. Thank you.